Hello friends, in this video I'm adding this video because in solution with the question is not clear because of the HUD problem. So here I'm adding this video to this question video with original video. Using the following data, discuss the illustrate the Halsey and Rowan's premium bonus system. Bring out their comparative merits and demerits. Time allowed 48 hours and time taken is 40 hours, and rate 1 rupees per hour. So we have to calculate Halsey and Rowan's premium bonus system. Okay, so I'm adding every questions videos before the video because of the HUD clarity. So question is not clear, that's why I'm adding. Hello friends, in this chapter we are going to learn labor. It's unit number 7 in cost accounting, or as labor. In labor chapter we will see incentives plan. Okay, the wages of labor, how to calculate the wages of labor plus incentives plans. Okay, here are the first, let's see incentives plan. The two authors have given this plan. First is Halsey plan and second is Rowan plans. Okay, in Halsey plan formula is T into R plus percentage bracket S minus T into R. T means time taken, S means this one standard time. Okay, then R means rate per unit of time. Okay, note, the important note is in case of Halsey Ware's incentive scheme, these percentage must be taken as 33.1 by 3%. Means sometimes if percentage is not given, okay, then we should have to take the percentage is 33.1 by 3% if percentage is not given. For Rowan plan, the second is a Rowan plan. The formula for Rowan plan is bonus is equal to time saved divided by standard time into time taken into hour rate. Okay, then again we have to calculate total earnings. Total earning is equal to time taken into hour rate plus bonus. Actually this is the original formula of total earning, but for this bonus we have to calculate bonus formula first. It's a okay, this is for incentives plan. Now method of rate system or even wages system. Method of rate system and wages system. How to give wages. Now let's see. First, there is a two types. First, time rate system. Second, price rate system. Okay, this is the second, price rate system. This is the first, time rate system. In time rate system, formula is total earnings is equal to T into R. T means time taken, R means rate. This is time rate system. And piece rate system. This is the piece rate system. Okay, it depends on how many piece we have produced. According to that, the wages will be give. Okay, what is the formula? Total earning is equal to P into R. P means number of unit produced, R means rate per unit. Okay, piece rate, another formula is, this is a total earning, and how piece rate will be calculate? Piece rate is equal to time rate per hour or else per day divided by standard or normal output per hour or else per day. Okay, this is the methods. And another we have the method for flex method and replacement method and separation method in wages system. For example, let's see. Here you can see the separation method. Separation method means number of separation in a period divided by average number of working during a period. Okay, actually separation method, flex method and replacement method will come for calculation of number of workers. Number of workers, how many workers add, how many workers have been left the organization. Okay. Second is a flux method. Number of separation means separated means resign plus number of addition, how many we have add the employees, divided by average number of workers during the year. This for calculation of wages, total overall wages of the company. Replacement method. Number of replacement in a period. Replacement means changing the manpower, divided by average number of working workers during a period into 100. These three formulas, measurement of labor turnover. This for measurement of labor turnover. Now let's see the question first. Here I will put separate pictures of a question in another video. Otherwise, this first, let's see short question. I will add first question with this video, take the snapshot, then go for means answer solution in this video only. Okay, for long question I will put separate video for questions, or else I will add the question. Okay, but I will put a separate clear picture because in this video the video is not clear, so I'll put separate pics. Okay, short problem on a system of wages payment. Okay, not incentives. So wages payment means using the following data, discuss and illustrate the Halsey and Rowan premium bonus system. Okay, bring out their comparative merits and demerits. Time allowed is 48 hours, time taken 40 hours, and the rate is ₹1 per hour. What we have to do, actually first what we have to do, Halsey and Rowan's plan. For this purpose we have to okay, first question in a short. Okay, first what we have to write, Halsey method. First we have to write the formula. What is the formula? T into R plus percentage into S minus T into R. First write T means time taken. Time taken in this problem is 40 and time allowed is 48 hours and rate is 1. So time taken is 40, time allowed means required time, standard time is 48 and rate is 1. Insert into the formula, time taken is 40 into rate is 1 plus percentage okay, then what we have to take, 50%. Whenever percentage is not specified, take 50%. Standard time is 48 minus time taken 40 into rate is 1. 40 into 1, 40. Okay, this is 50%. Outside bracket, how much we have? 1 rupees, then into 1. First we have to multiply with this. This is 40 plus 50% of 8 means 4 into 1 is 40. This is plus 4 ones are 4, so it's total 44. 44 will be bonus or incentives by Halsey. Now Rowan's. Rowan method. First write the bonus formula for Rowan method. Time save divided by standard time into time taken into rate per hour. Okay, time save is how much? 8 is a time save. Overall standard time is 48 into t means time taken is 40 into rate is 1. So what we have to do, 40 should be divided by 48, 8 should be divided by 48, then calculate. Now divided this one, you will get 0.166 and 6 into 40 into 1. Calculate this one, you will get 6.67 is a bonus. Now formula for Rowan's formula, total earnings. Total earnings. Total earnings formula is time taken into rate per hour in plus bonus. Okay, so how you write? 40 into time is 40, rate is 1, plus bonus is 6.67. So this is 40 plus 6.67 means overall 46.67. If you calculate bonus by Halsey, it's 44 and by Rowan is 46.67. This is how we can calculate the bonus or incentives. This is the question number 1. In short,